as I start on this LS swap journey. So I already got the old tank removed, which is over there, and now we're gonna open up this one by tanks. All right, let's see what we got here. Fuel sending unit, the fuel pump, the stuff for the fuel injection, connections. We got the new straps, but since this is meant for a 66 and my car is a 67, they're saying that you just use the existing straps down there, so we'll see about that. Another one of these. Look at that beauty. Nice and clean, unlike the other one. We got the fuel sending hole and the fuel pump hole, unlike the other tank.